Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to dislike a show on Crunchyroll. I wonder why you want to know how to dislike a show on Crunchyroll. Maybe because there is a show that you just watched and you didn't like it. Maybe there was something that hurted your sentiments, or maybe in general you didn't like it, so you just want to express your experience by disliking the show so that its rating could be affected and other people could get to know more about it. Or maybe you think there's something inappropriate into that show that should not be supported, so you just want to dislike it. Or there could be any other reason for you to dislike the show on Crunchyroll. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can dislike a show on Crunchyroll. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Crunchyroll app in your mobile phone, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once app get installed, make sure you have created your account on it and you also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Crunchyroll app to open it. The app will just take a while to load all of its content. After that, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. At the top, you could see icon of the app and few options at the top and bottom as well. Into the middle of the screen, there are different shows that you could watch. There are series, different shows, movies, and all that. So let's say you watched a movie and you didn't like it. So now you just want to give your opinion about it, like disliking it or maybe liking it. So let's say this is a show that you just watched and now you want to give it a review to it. So just simply tap on its icon and then this will open. Once it gets open, you will see its cover page and you will also notice some of its personal information like its name and other stuff. You have to click on this start watching and then you will get here. Once you get here, there you will see some of the options like and dislike. The like is a thumbs up and dislike is a thumbs down. So if you want to dislike it, you just have to simply click on this dislike button and this will change its color. That means you have disliked this show. Here one thing is important, that if you have not created your username and if you haven't uploaded any kind of profile avatar, then you will not be able to dislike or like any kind of show. You must have a username or you must have a profile avatar. If you don't have any one of these, then you can add them anytime and then you will be able to dislike or like any show of your choice on this app. As here you can see the show has been disliked. Likewise, you can also dislike any show that you don't like. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can dislike a show on Crunchyroll. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.